We just released a fun, kind of hidden feature in the scheduling system that allows you to sort by multiple columns. So let's say, for example, I have this bulk grid and I want to sort by start date and then due date together. I can hold down either the command button on Mac or the control button on Windows, and I can sort by this second column. And if I click this again, I can sort in the other direction. And let's say I even want to add, I want to sort by job number as well. I can do that too. Or cell number, right? I can do that as well. So this is available on the bulk grids and it sticks across when you navigate to the different pages. So these will be sorted in that same order as well on the machine Kanbans. But it's also supported when you look at the work queue for a user. So you can sort here based on whatever you want configured. So right now I have it sorted by part number, then by required quantity, then completed quantity. And if I want to save this and have it be available for the user every single time, I can hit layout and save, and it will be there every time I go to the screen. So it makes it really easy to be able to sort stuff by the priority that you want to, not just how things are being ordered in the Kanban or the bulk scheduling screen.